Hi, and welcome to the short video for how to print and set up viewports in AutoCAD for a Mac. To set up prints, we need to go into Paperspace. We will cover these in another video. There are tabs at the bottom of the screen which you can rename, i.e. floor plans. Click on the tab and that takes you into Paperspace. Go to File, Page Setup, then Edit. Select your printer and the paper size that you want to print in. You can also select various plot styles, which we'll cover in this video. Click OK and then close. Now we're going to create a border around our paper. I use rectangle, however there's various ways that you can do this. You can also set up templates to save a little bit of time. And then we're just going to offset that 10mm. And now we're going to create a viewport, so select Viewports layer, then right click on the layer and go to layer status and deselect prints, and then we go to view, viewports, and then we insert a viewport. And we double click in the viewport and set the scale. Once this is set up, I normally click the padlock on the bottom right just to lock the view into place. And there's two ways you can put another viewport in here. You can either copy a viewport and then just paste it there. However, that's probably not the right way to do it. The best way to do it is just insert it the same way as the first one, so View tab, Viewports, and then Insert. And then we change the scale there. And this time we're going to switch off the electrics layers. So we click there and there. And as you can see, the electrics are switched off in this viewport. However, on the left hand side they're still showing. This just saves a little bit of time, and that's why layers are so important. So now it's time to print our drawing. So we go to the File tab, Print, and this is where you can preview what your drawing would look like when it's printed. So as you see here, it's all the colours of the layers, and as you see, because we deselected the viewport status, it doesn't show you the viewport layer around the drawings. You can also go to the plot style and change it to grayscale, and we'll just preview that. And as you see, instead of a rainbow of colours, it's just different shades of grey. And then we go to, when you're happy with that, we go to plot, and then that will start printing on your printer. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to comment on other videos you would like us to do. Thanks for watching.